Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Webull app paper trading. Open the Webull app and switch to paper trading mode, then choose a virtual account to begin. Start by scanning the market lists and practice placing simple buy and sell orders using limit and market options. Treat this like real trading practice and track your trades in the account history to learn patterns and timing. To place trades, tap any ticker and study its chart and indicators before trading. Pick an order type, enter the share amount, and choose a limit or market price to control execution. Use stop loss and take profit to manage risk, and watch the order tab for fills and partial executions. Practice different strategies and review each trade to refine entry and exit decisions in a risk-free environment. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more guides. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy through long screen sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Paper trading lets you safely test advanced tools like OCO orders and conditional fills without risking real money. Add indicators, draw trend lines, and practice reading volume and momentum to sharpen strategy skills. Use replay mode or manual backtesting to simulate historical scenarios and evaluate performance across multiple trades. Keep notes on what worked and adjust position sizing and risk rules as you gain confidence and insight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.